everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to standard lace your New Balance 574 with 3 different ways to finish off the lacing style. The first is a hidden factory knot, which gives you an uninterrupted look to the lacing style. The second finish is a bow, and the third uses a lace lock. So we're going to start the lacing style by taking the lace down through the first hole on the outside of the shoe. Just pull it up a little way into the shoe, and then when you take your lace across the front, just make sure that you're flattening it out as much as possible, and then take the end of the lace down through the first hole on the inside of the shoe. Again, just draw it up a little bit, and then to make sure that our laces are the same length, we're going to hold on to the end and pull up. So we're going to take the outside lace next. We're going to bring it across the shoe into the second hole on the inside, drawing it up from the bottom of the hole. And then we're going to take the inside lace, going to bring that across the shoe to the second hole on the outside, again coming up through the bottom of the hole. Keep that lace in your hand, bring it across the shoe to the third hole on the inside. And then we're going to take the inside lace and bring it across to the third hole on the outside of the shoe, drawing it up from underneath the hole. And then we're going to take the lace across the shoe to the inside fourth hole. So it's at this point whether you want to use the hoop or not in the tongue. I'm not going to use it, so I'm going to carry on my lace uninterrupted, but if you wanted to use that, it would be now. So I'm going to take the outside lace across to the inside fourth hole, and then I'm going to take the inside lace across to the outside fourth hole. Again, always going up from the bottom of the hole and out. Keep that lace in your hand, bring it across to the inside fifth hole. And then take the inside lace across to the outside fifth hole. Then we're going to take that outside lace, we're going to bring it up to the top hole there. So we're going to bring it up again from the bottom of the hole and out. And then the inside lace comes across to the top hole from the bottom and out. And then the first way I'm going to show you to finish off the lacing style is probably the most popular type of finishing, which would be a bow. So just bring your 2 laces together, and then you would finish off with a bow like that. So that would be the first way to show you. If you don't like wearing bows on your shoes, there is a different way that you can wear it instead, where you hide the lace at the top. And in that case, if you're going to do that, we're going to take out these 2 laces from the top. So undo your 2 laces, draw them back, and this time, rather than bringing them across and going from the bottom and out, we're going to bring it over the top. So I'm going to take the outside lace first. I'm still going to use that top inner hole there, so I'm going to draw it down into the hole this time. And then I'm going to take the inside lace and I'm going to take it down from the top through to the bottom of the hole. So what you've done there is you've kind of continued that over the top look. And then I'm going to do hidden finishing, where I'm going to use a factory knot. And to do that, what you need to do is to make sure that your 2 laces are aligned to each other, like this all the way down. Just take a loop round your finger, bring that lace through, and then you're going to make the lace come through here to make another loop. So catch the loop in your finger like this, and then just pull on it, and it will tighten it up. So you can either use your factory knot that way outside your shoe. If you really don't want to see it and you want that nice continued line, then you can take it behind your tongue. Like that. And then you get that nice clean look to your shoe. Now, some people might not like to wear that factory knot inside. Some people do. It's all about personal preference. So that's the right shoe. On the left shoe that I'm going to show you now, I'm going to be using a different finish at the top, but first of all I'll go through the standard lacing style. So we're going to do the same. We're going to start on the outside of the shoe, and if you do start on the outside of the shoe on both shoes, then your lacing style mirrors each other. So I'm going to take it down through the first hole, so I'm just going to draw that down a little bit, take it down through the first hole and up into the shoe, and then same again, where you need to make sure you're flattening it out and the end comes into the first hole on the inside of the shoe. So again, draw that up. We're going to make sure our laces are the same length, hold the ends together and pull up. Now we're going to take the outside lace, we're going to come across the shoe to the second hole on the inside, making sure that you're taking the lace up from the bottom of the hole and out. Then we're going to take the inside lace across the shoe to the second hole, drawing the lace up from the bottom and out. And keep that lace in your hand, come across to the inside third hole. Take your inside lace, come across to the third hole and up and out. Keep that lace in your hand. It's now, if you want to use the hoop, you would start to bring this next lace through it. I'm going to go past it. So bring your lace across to the fourth hole, up from the bottom of the hole, and then the inside lace comes across to the fourth hole on the outside of the shoe, drawing it up and out. Keep that lace in your hand, bring it across to the fifth hole, and then the inside lace comes across to the outside fifth hole, always pulling up your lace from the bottom of the hole and out. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do the same again with this last bit of lace. So we're going to take the outside lace, we're going to draw it up through that first hole there, and the inside lace drawing up from the bottom of the hole and out. And this finishing off to the lace now I'm going to show you is going to use the little hole on the side, which is called the lace lock hole. So this is the most secure way to finish off your lacing style, and it tends to be the lacing style that I'd probably advocate if you were an active gym member, or you were a runner, or you like to do long distance walking in your 574s. So with this one, what you're going to do is you're going to take the lace back on itself and bring it down through that hole, and you're going to make a hoop. And then you're going to do the same on the inside, bring it back, put it down through that hole, make a loop, and then you're going to take the laces and you're going to go through the hoop. So I'll start with the outside lace like I always do, and some people like to go down through it. It doesn't matter whether you go down or up. I'm going to go up, and then I'm going to take the inside lace, I'm going to come up, and then I'll show you how these work. So I'll pull on this one first, and as you pull on this lace, it's going to draw that hoop down like that. And if I pull on the inside lace like that, it will pull this hoop down. So I'm just going to pull them down a little bit more so you can see securely then how they would look. So what you have is a lace lock, and the reason you use it is because it comes further up the shoe. It pushes your foot into the heel, which stops any heel rubbing, and it also draws your foot up from the bottom so you don't get that bruising on your toes as well. And then what you need to do here is just take it and make another bow. So I'm just going to bring the laces together, and then from there you'd make yourself a bow. So that is one way to finish with the lace lock, and it is the most secure way, especially if you tend to have your shoes a little bit bigger if you're a runner, which most people go maybe half a size up, maybe a size up if they're a runner. And it means that this way you're securing your toes from bruising and you're securing your heel from getting blisters. So I hope that was helpful. If it was, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and for future videos, subscribe. Thanks for watching.